Hey, welcome back to the Gargoyles Den Diecast. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we're going to do the first of a series of how-to videos that I have not done yet. Somebody brought this up to me the other day. I was talking about doing a full video of all the steps. Somebody said, well, you should turn that into several different videos. So I think that's where we're headed. So today we're going to do the first basic step, which is a wheel swap. Let's go ahead and get into it. Shoulder drilling, as always. Always being careful not to damage the base as much as possible. And these wheels don't look bad on this, but I like to have roll riders and everything, so there we go, pop. And you notice this car only has the one post in the back. The front just clips in using the front fascia. Alright, where was I? Sorry about the interruption. Wife had asked a question. Alright, now for wheels, I've always got a bunch of wheels on hand. You can buy these various places, different suppliers, etc. I get a lot of them off AliExpress or Temu. You get them 50 cents, $1 a piece, as long as you are looking for the deals. There's other ones on there that they want to charge you $5 for a set, and that's ridiculous. That's more than if you wanted to go buy them from Sam Ed or someplace. The Sam Ed, that's one of my favorite ones. That's who I usually do my Redline ones for. But yeah, I mean, you can pretty much come up with whatever you want. I picked out a set of gold ones that we're going to put on today. But I just wanted to show you the wheel setup that I had. So there's, even if I wouldn't have had these, I would have had something that went with it that I like better. And like I said, I do it all because I want the real rubber tires, which can be switched out. You saw I had extras in there. I could switch them out, put red lines on them, I could put white walls on them, whatever. It all works. Okay. Easiest way to do this part is my little bottle trick that I've shown in other videos. Piece of painter's tape to strap it down to the top of the bottle to hold it while you're gluing the new axles in place. Like so. Size your axles. These are perfect size, so we don't have to trim them. That's good. And that's all there is to it. Take your super glue, because it is a plastic base, so I use super glue on it. Now, if it was a metal base, I would suggest using something a little different. I would normally use JB Weld because it adheres to the metal better than the super glue does. That way you have less chance of the wheels coming loose later on. Drop of this. And then we use the Bob Smith Industries activator, which you can pick up at any local hobby store. And let it sit for a couple minutes. Once that's set, we can put it back together. You guys saw that I had already drilled this out. I'm going to go drill this over on the drill press for the 172 screws, and then we'll come back and get it back together. And I'm back. Remember, we only had the one thing. We had to clip the front end with the fascia. Slide that in. Maybe, hold on just a second. This is a good thing to show you guys. Because of where the axles sit on this, you got the two bumps here. And because of the glue, it's a little tall, so what I do, pair of side nippers. And just take off the top edge of that so that it can sit down smooth. You can also use a sander if you need to, a drum sander on your Dremel tool to smooth that over. They'll do the same thing. Just like so. Pop it back in. And we got the 172 screw ready to go. There we are. And that's what we got out of it. Simple, quick, easy first step to modifying your Hot Wheels. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now. Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to give you a little behind the scenes look. It was such a short video about wheel swap. These are all cars that I had sitting on the pegs that I had bought. I bought them one or two at a time and told myself, I'm going to swap the wheels. I'm going to swap the wheels. Yeah, I looked on my pegs the other day. I had probably 30 cars that I said I was going to swap the wheels on. Never did. I've never gotten around to it. So I made this wheel swap week. That's what I've been working on all week, is just swapping wheels on cars. And I love the way they come out. Like I said, I like all my cars to have the real rubber tires, the real riders, so to speak. So yeah, I just wanted to show that and let people know that finally I've decided to start selling cars. I'm selling them on eBay because a lot of them are restorations of Redlines rather than these custom ones that I'm doing. If you're interested, look up my seller name is JM Gargoyle _3. And I'll take care of you. Thanks.